Did you know there's a cruise ship that delivers your mail while you sip champagne under the northern lights? Welcome aboard Norway's Hurtigruten, the world's most beautiful postal service. For over 130 years, these ships have carried letters to remote Arctic villages that roads can't reach. But here's the magic. You get to come along for the ride. Picture this. You're enjoying a gourmet dinner as the captain makes an unscheduled stop to deliver groceries to a tiny fishing village. You witness real Norwegian life that most tourists never see. This isn't just a cruise, it's a front row seat to how the Arctic truly lives.